What's up, everybody? It's Common Sense Investment with another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 toolbar that you see at the top of your screen right here, alright? Not to be confused with your menu bar. We're going to be talking about the toolbar and all the accessories that I use, and that if you want your dashboard to look like my dashboard, how you can customize it and make it look the way you want. Alright, now I say MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader because if I bring up MetaTrader 5, you'll notice that it has a lot of the same buttons, only they look a little bit different because this is a more upgraded version. Okay, but they're going to be the same. The principles are going to be the same. That if you want to take a look at your tool line and you want to customize it by adding or taking something away from it, you right click and you press customize, and you see what over here on the selected buttons do you want removed. And I don't like the arrows on my toolbar, but I use them out of the menu, and the simple way to do it is click on arrows and remove, and now it is no longer on the MetaTrader 5 desktop toolbar anymore. Alright, so now let's close that out. Now the first thing you want to know is that you've got three different toolbars up here. Okay, you've got this one right here that you can move, you've got this one right here that you can move, you've got this one right here. You can put them all to make them all on one line together, or you can put them on two different lines together like that. I've got the toolbars right here. I've got the cursor, I've got the cross, I've got a vertical line up, a horizontal line, and a trend line that I can choose from here. A oval, a rectangle, and text to add to the chart. Okay, now let's take a look at the cursors, just what you're seeing there. Alright, when you press the button for the cross, what happens is whenever you get to your chart, you will see that cross happening. Now what you do is you find the spot you're looking for. For example, right here up to here, and we can see that that is 24 bars and the price of 1.31018. You get that by pressing the cross, getting the crossbars, putting it where you want it, because that's where we bought at, and we've been in the play now for 25 candles, and it's up 13.9 pips. Alright, the other ones, like the vertical line, you just click it, come over to your chart and put it wherever you want. You double click the line and you right click and you see vertical line properties. You can change the color to green or white. You can change it from a regular line to a dashed line, or you could change it to a thicker line. Alright, like that. That's your vertical line button. Take that off. Now the next one, of course, is the horizontal button. Same thing, you find where you want to put it for like a resistance line, put it there. Make sure your little round things right there on the edge, and then you right click again and go to horizontal, and you can make it red so that it's now a resistance line or support line. Alright, then the trend line is the same thing. From get where you want to, hold the button and let it go, and then you can right click, double click it, right click it, and you can change the properties of it. Instead of being blue, you can make it red. Instead of being dotted, you want it solid, and you want it a thick so you can see it better. And there you have it. Alright, then if you want to put an oval, you just click on the button, come over here and hold it down and put the oval wherever you want to put it, like that. Alright, or a rectangle. Alright, all these different things you can add from the toolbar, or text. text down here, what you want the text to say. You want to say manual or bot pick. Alright, and there it is. We can double click it, right click it after it lights up, text properties, and you can change the color to white, change the size to 16 so you can see it. Arial's fine. And now you know you have a note here that says that this was a bot pick. Alright. Now, if you want to add certain things or you don't need all of those you believe, then all you have to do is go over to that toolbar and right click and customize, and then you could choose whatever you don't want and click remove. Over here you pick the ones that you would want, alright, and you press insert and it will go into your toolbar. Okay, now your second toolbar holds a whole lot of other things. It's going to hold whenever you turn on your trading bot, your auto trading. That's the button for it right there. It's trading right now, so I don't want to interrupt it. Alright, but you got that one. Then this is going to be important because it's going to shift your charts in the direction that needs to be done, to where you can have this little triangle and you can move your chart like this. Alright, instead of it being lined up to the side, you can move it over using that button. Alright, then you've got the line charts, the candlestick charts, and the bar charts like that. Make it bigger, make it smaller, and then this is one for the 4 panes button, is where everything lines itself back up, and then you can make a decision on which one of the charts you want to look at. It looks kind of confusing, but trust me, I've strategically set these up. This is 3 currencies. These are the same 3 currencies. They're just running on 2 different bots. But over here with your second toolbar, right click it, go to customize. You'll see right here what all is on your toolbar. And right here is what you can add to the toolbar. Alright. And everything that I use is on the toolbar right now. Alright. Except for indicators. I don't use indicators here. So I want to remove it. I highlight it, remove it, say OK. And it's gone from my toolbar. Alright. Now, the reason I could take all those off is I use the view button. And you can go to toolbars, market watch, navigator, terminal. All these have buttons, but I prefer to go to the menus. Alright. Then your last toolbar is going to be your time toolbar. You right click it as usual, customize it, and you see that you got the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly. We don't use the weekly, so we can remove it, and then we just say OK. And now we see that we have the right toolbars that we are wanting to use. Everything that we use is now up there in our toolbars, and we are ready to begin charting 101. And with that, love y'all, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.